Hi everybody. Today I saw Ruben in Sculpt January Facebook group actually asked me how to create a 3D photo in Facebook. Okay, for me I create the 3D uh, image in ZBrush. Okay, and to make it into 3D photo, you need two things. One is your image, and the other one is a depth map. Okay, um, let me show you how it's done. Okay, take for example this dog. If I want to create a 3D photo, okay, I need to first of all the image file, export out the image file. Okay, give it a name like dog and save it as a JPEG. And then the next thing is the depth map. You can create it by going to Alpha, Transfer, Grab Document. Okay. Once you click that, click on the alpha file that you create and export as a doc underscore depth. Okay, the suffix is very important uh, because this will tell Facebook that okay, this is the 3D information to create the 3D photo in Facebook. But okay, in ZBrush, I cannot create the alpha information or the depth information into JPEG, so I have to save it as a PSD file and later convert the PSD file into JPEG. Okay, once I save the PSD file, I'll go to Photoshop. Okay, let me close this thing first. Okay, I'll go to Photoshop. Open the PSD file that I created. And then save as JPEG. Okay, one thing to take note is that the depth file has to be in grayscale. Okay, if let's say you accidentally change it to RPG or CMYK or any other format, Facebook will not recognize this as a depth file. Okay, okay, once save, let's go to Facebook. Okay, and save this file, post this file by adding two files, the doc underscore depth.jpg and doc.jpg. Okay, okay, you see once you have these two files, yeah, it will become a 3D photo. Okay, so I include here things to note. Okay, the name and the suffix. underscore depth dot jpeg. Okay, do take note that this has to be in grayscale. Okay, let's pause it. Okay, hope you enjoy this video, and also hope that it helped you create your own 3D photo. That's all for today, and then hope everyone can finish their Sculpt January 31 sculptures.